Very quick update, August 17. So the monthly chart still bullish. As long as we maintain the 21 and the 20 and the 12 moving averages here, we can be doing something like this, unless this is just a fake out, of course. On the monthly, the big resistance is here on the 14k, around 14k. We can do all this. We are above the big trend line as well, and this is where we are. I'm taking all these trend lines now just with TA with moving averages to make it simple, so because everything is still the same. So monthly is bullish as long as we are above these moving averages on the 8k 7.7. We can just keep retesting and going up and consolidate, but for now looks bullish and ready to go up. Indicator still pointing up. On the weekly, big, like a strong weekly close above the last candle last week and the previous week. So we are doing always going up with small breakdowns and finding support in a bullish way, like here on the 11k, and now it's going up. We are above all these resistance, which are now supports, support here and support here, which are the moving averages, which are good buy opportunities. Stop loss below this swing low or this swing low. This one is more tight, of course. Okay, so this is the weekly, very simple. Just buy the dip until here. If we start closing below here, it starts to get tricky. So these are all good buy opportunities, but the price might not come here and keeps on going up as Bitcoin normally does. Daily, already finding some resistance, but 21 is here. These are buy opportunities on this area. If we start closing below here, 11k or even here, 10.9, it starts to get tricky, but all this area, it's buy opportunities, are buying areas, especially here. If we go down, we have also this support on the moving averages. Also we have here like a big pool, liquidity pool. If we come down, we can come down also big time until here and liquidate everyone with stop losses here. So we never know, but for now it's still bullish. All the moving averages, as long as we close above, still bullish. If we start closing below these moving averages, it starts to get tricky. We are already on the oversold kind of areas, so it's a matter of time that we can have another push up, but then I think we will come down for the moving average to breathe. And the indicators down here, RSI and stochastics, because we are on the overbought conditions. Okay, so this is in euro, the same. Buy on the 21. Ethereum, super bullish. We had this big test here. Already Bitcoin didn't do this. And then big buyback, and we keep on in a bullish way. Weekly close. We are above this area and this area and this area. So by the dips, we are already on the overbought. So it's a matter of time we will come down here or here to find support. Big support is here on this area. As we can see, this close. This area, it's a new area. This is the top. So this area, it's on the 12 moving average. It's a good buy opportunity, and the 21 as well. and then if we've closed above this area, we will have follow through for higher levels. Litecoin, also a strong close above the 100 moving average, trying to push higher now. Stop loss can be here, or of course on the we already tested 21 here, trying to push higher. The monthly, finding resistance now on the 21, and this resistance normally it's strong, so let's see if we manage to close the months above it, and then if we have continuation or if we just break down from there. But indicators are still pointing up, so we can come here at least to the 55, 56, and then maybe close the months in 2 weeks around here or even here, who knows. Indicators are still pointing up on the monthly, quite low here, so we still can push higher. So we basically just buy the dips. If we come here to this area, it's also good buy opportunities. Even here, stop loss, it's below this swing area, or of course this swing here, and use this area to buy, which is here the support on the 49 in euros, 49, and here on the 50, 49.50 are supports for bullish uptrends. And that's it. Ripple weekly finding resistance, but a strong weekly close. Now we are finding resistance. The buys will be here with the stop loss here, or even here. But I think we will consolidate here and then trying to push higher. Stellar already pushing higher above all the moving averages. Support is here on the 89.5. ZRX, big push up, big weekly close above this area. We will try to go at least to the 60 cents of euro. Very strong. ZRX, EOS on the weekly, close below the moving averages. I think we will try to find support here or here, or maybe looking at the chart, yeah, around here. So we might just have support on the 3.2 to try to push higher. And yeah, so that's it. Bitcoin pushing higher, aiming for the 14K. S&P, just a quick follow-up, pushing higher. We already going here on the weekly for trying the new all-time highs, but we still didn't manage. So if we close above this area, we will go for new all-time highs. The gap is already closed. We have resistance here on this red line, which comes from back here, from this area, this trend line. We got the resistance here, and now we will try again. If we close above, we will push